I'm just reminding you things. Hello viewers, welcome back to yet another episode of Cook with Sankal. In today's episode, I have moved from all the way from Gachibowli zone to the banks of Hussain Sagar. Yeah, you heard it right. The banks of Hussain Sagar at the park to make an amazing donuts with Chef Thimareddy. Welcome, Chef.
Hey Sankalp, how are you?
Wonderful. How are
Hey
you?
guys, welcome to the Park Hotel, Hyderabad.
Yeah. So today we are going to make some amazing donuts and
No, we're gonna say that later.
Yeah.
First, you're gonna make donuts.
yes. So let's get begin.
But why only donuts?
Donuts is see, we've been doing different kind of desserts. So I would want to make something which is very popular and kids friendly, and there is a kid in every adult also. So everybody love donuts. That is the reason I want you to make today donuts for the audience.
Sure.
Let's
Actually,
begin.
yeah. So there are different recipes for donuts. We're gonna show you our recipe, which we generally do at the Park, Hyderabad. All of you must be knowing the bread dough, the way you make bread dough. It's got refined flour, and it's got, if you want to enrich, you've got milk with it, or else you can add water. And then the main ingredient will be yeast, because it has to, grow in size. When you add it, it's carbonate, it eats sugars, and then it's,
To make it fluffy.
Yes.
And airy.
Yes. Yeah. So now we have flour with us, refined flour. So now we're gonna, as you're in the banks of Hussain Sagar, you
It's
can
very
see,
breezy.
You can see that the flour is flying. So you have refined flour. So generally, when you're making a dough, you add dry ingredients first.
Right.
So the dry ingredients that we have is yeast is one, and then we have sugar to go with it.
Right. It's the feed
Yeah,
for the yeast.
Yeah. And then there are two very important ingredients. Okay. One is gluten. Yeah. So I'm gonna add gluten. Gluten is gonna give strength to the donuts. It's gonna be
Oh, right. It'll become nice and stretchy.
yeah. And I'm gonna add a little bit of bread improver. When you have good refined flour with high gluten content, you don't need this.
Two ingredients.
Yeah, these two ingredients. You can just go with yeast and salt and sugar. So we're gonna add salt as well now. So once you add all these dry ingredients, mix it properly with the flour. The difference between bread dough and donut dough is you add fat content, that is butter, to the
Salted? Unsalted?
dough. If you wanna use salted, then you add
Lesser
little
amount
less
of
salt. Yeah, less salt there, and then
But it doesn't make any big difference other than the seasoning part.
yeah, actually, it doesn't make any difference. So you add butter, and then the liquid ingredients. So to make it richer, we're gonna add eggs to it.
Can we make eggless also?
We can, but the texture of the donuts is not gonna be as soft as it should be when
True.
you don't add eggs.
True.
So after the eggs, then you pour in milk.
All right.
So
You're going to
generally-
break the bank now.
Oh no!
Careful.
You wanna do that? You wanna try? You wanna
No,
try
no,
that?
no, I'm good.
So
you can go ahead.
Yeah. So slowly you pull in the flour. So if you have a dough mixer, it is going to be very easy for you. So after kneading the dough, it's going to be like nice and soft and stretchy like this. Yeah.
Perfect. Chef,
So-
in case if
Yeah.
people don't get the gluten mix,
Okay.
so what do you suggest to them?
Actually, you get something called as baker's refined flour, or
All right.
or actually you can get the best quality refined flour from the market.
That can be useful.
Yeah. So you have to roll it.
How stretchy is it, Chef?
You wanna see?
Oh, yeah. My audience wants to see it.
Is that because of the gluten?
Absolutely, yeah. So you roll it evenly.
Uh-huh.
If you think it's gonna stick, then you add a little bit of flour underneath. Yeah. And then you generally have a donut cutter. If you don't have a donut cutter, then you can use any of the bowls or a glass to cut it. So you cut it like this.
Oh, look at that. How
Yeah.
beautiful it is. The ring, the donut.
Yeah. This is,
baby.
this is actually called donut hole.
Oh, wonderful. Audience, keep note of it.
So after you cut it like this, you're supposed to keep it for proving. Probably it takes an hour or so.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then it'll nice and
For the yeast to rise.
yeah.
For the yeast to rise. So I think we'll show them the ones which we already made 3
Yes.
hours ago.
Uh-huh.
They must be proven now and very soft.
Oh, look at that. How fluffy they are.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
So-
and very light.
So when you handle them, you have to be really be careful
Mm-hmm.
because
So
they've
let's
got air
now
in them.
fry.
Now, yeah, we have to fry them.
So now we're going to fry these donuts.
For frying, oil has to be moderately hot, not very hot, because it's going to take probably 4 to 5 minutes to totally fry on both the sides.
Okay.
Yeah, let's fry now. So now we're gonna fry the donuts. And
Your-
as I said earlier, oil has to be moderately hot, not very hot. Why? Because
Okay.
so
Repeat. Once again, moderately hot. I will ask why, okay? As I said.
Can we take this hotel inside?
hotel, you wanna take hotel elsewhere? Yeah, I take city. So as I said earlier, oil has to be moderately hot, not very hot, because it is to take minimum 4 to 5 minutes for entire donut to cook on each side.
Why?
Very good question, Sankalp. Suppose if I cook it in 2 minutes, you're gonna get very nice color on top, but it's gonna be undone or raw inside.
Okay. But these are like buns. Very
Yeah.
well proven and they've all risen up nicely.
Yeah.
So the crust is going to be crunchy.
Yes, it is supposed to be not really crunchy, but you definitely gonna have two kinds of textures on the outer side and then the inside.
Hmm.
Hey Sankalp, I'm gonna take off the oil right now.
Hold on. Did you forget something?
Oh yeah, the holes.
Oh yeah, the donut holes.
Please, yeah. So these are the ones that were when. Okay, so the the donut holes. Yeah. So now we're gonna fry these. Actual donuts already fried. So one after the other, we're gonna
Drop
put
them
them.
gently.
Yeah, absolutely. Actually, you should touch one of these. It's very soft and airy.
Oh my goodness, it's so light, like a feather. See? So
Actually, kids love these donut
Okay.
holes. Yeah. So now the donut holes are fried and ready. So while they're hot, you add in a little bit of cinnamon sugar.
oh,
Yeah. So when you're adding cinnamon sugar, you take castor sugar, not the big one.
the crystal ones.
Yeah, the crystal big ones. Toss
Need
it a
to
little.
toss it.
Toss it a little.
Chef, now what are we going to do with these donuts?
So all the good donuts that we've fried, we're gonna dip in various chocolate sauces and cinnamon sugar as well.
All right.
So let's start with dark chocolate first.
Oh, yummy.
So you take the donuts and then you actually melt the chocolate and then dip it in and then put it here.
Oh, look at that.
So if you want to garnish anything on it, so you have to garnish while it is hot.
okay, I'm going to be creative.
Yeah.
So I'm going to pop some nice crunchy stuff on top of this. Chef, these are some amazing donuts which you have made today in very simple steps and in very easy way where even the people at home can make these donuts.
Yeah, it's actually very easy to make at home as well. It's not a complicated recipe, very simple. And thank you so much. Please keep visiting the Park Hotel and make a lot of videos here. You know, right? Very nice and amazing view.
Please do like, subscribe,
And share.
and share Food with Sankalp. Until next time,
Bye-bye.
happy dining.
Bye bye.
We should make these with sourdough next time.
Sourdough? Your recipe?
I don't mind. Let's go down. Oh,
I'm gonna finish off mine.
You should actually eat this.
I'll take the Simpsons one.